On take 6, right, Daniel? Mm-hmm. All right, sir. What do we have here?
Here we have an Argentinian grill, freshly painted.
An Argentinian grill. Very nice. How does that work?
Well, it's a bit crooked right now, but if you roll this up,
right,
the griddle is raised.
So if the fire's too hot, you can just go up high with it.
Yep.
And if it's not hot enough, you lower it down. Very nice.
Full control over the food and where it is.
So what kind of wood do you cook your food on? Is that oak?
Mostly oak.
Oh, okay. Is it good?
It really is. It gives a nice smoky flavor to the food.
Okay.
Super good with beef.
Okay. And then
rotisserie chicken on here isn't bad either.
Very nice. All right, so let's go through this part. Do you want to quickly show them the filtration system in the waterfall?
Will do, but it's a bit of a mess now.
Wow, that's pretty high tech.
Yep, so we have a UV sterilizer. It's really cool if you look into this hole. It almost looks like something from Star Trek.
Oh, wow.
So we've got pumps here, 3 of them, and they turn on the pump.
For?
That is a sand filtration system.
Very nice.
So if like you could peek in there, it's got clean sand, and the water goes through it before it comes out the waterfall. You can see right there, that's where the waterfall comes out.
Very cool.
And we also have a little spigot here.
Okay. The spigot's for if you want to drink some water or shower, or what do you do with that?
I'm not sure anymore, but I think we use it to clean the filter.
Oh, okay.
It is a cloth, like a cloth filter. So if you look, we've got a metal frame, and we have some cloth. It's not ordinary cloth. This is actual filtration cloth.
Very cool.
You have to replace it every few months, but it's not so bad. You just need to clean it whenever you see that the water level has gone below the little lip. That is the basin under there. This is the basin.
Oh, I see.
It doesn't need cleaning often.
Okay.
And if you want to look here.
So that water coming out of that waterfall, I could drink that?
You could. It can go through a filtration system, and you can pump it straight out.
And you could use this water, all this water, to put out a fire if you had one, right?
That's true.
All right. And
we also have a backup fire hose in there.
Oh, very nice.
So this is where the filter sucks up the water.
Right.
It has a cloth filter inside, which keeps the leaves and muck from going in it. That eventually gets clogged. So every 5 to 6 months, you need to check that. Okay. I believe.
Very cool.
And you don't want the water level to go below where it starts to suck up the water, the holes. That'll burn out the pump. You have to be very careful. Okay. Clean the filter often.
So explain the, looks like you have an RV here. And this goes with the property too, right? This RV?
Yep, by the way, this we use to clean the filter.
Oh, you use that to clean the filter?
Yep, it's pretty easy.
Very easy to do. Do you clean it yourself, Daniel?
Anybody can really clean it.
Oh.
As long as they're big enough.
All right. And then what do we have here, an RV?
Yes, it is a Puma, but it's really not a Puma anymore. We changed it so much that it's not even considered a Puma.
Can we take a peek inside?
It's mostly being used for long-term storage now.
Okay.
So there's not much to look at.
Right.
But we've got a slide out here. We've got a butcher block counter. Okay. We have a mini fridge. That's the best we could do for in here.
Right. But you could bring this back to life, right?
We totally could.
All
we
right.
actually plan on it if we don't end up selling this with the property.
Oh, very nice. Okay.
There's a 50-50 chance that my dad will decide if he's going to sell the property with this.
Okay. And did you guys live in there at once?
Yes, we did before we had this house renovated.
Oh, okay. All right. Let's go look at the manufactured home back here.